Okay, we're back. We got this 8mm removed, and this little spike that's in here. We've got this hose removed. A pair of these can be handy. So this hose, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to slit it. She's stuck pretty good. I suspect her to be original to the car. There we go. Slit it with your knife. She comes right out. So we're going to change that, flush that out. We'll set her aside. Okay. Here comes the fun part. Okay. Uh-oh. Is that an AC leak? Yep. There's the dye. Knew it was leaking somewhere. I charged it. And now it's not charged. There's the answer why the AC quit working. That compressor's making a bit of noise too. Okay, well, that's what it is. Now, we'll got me the new die-hard battery in this thing too. Tensioner, idler, water pump, they're all new. So, gotta go in, get this lower clamp off, and that's it. And I'll be back as soon as I get the lower clamp off. I need 2 hands. Okay, we have our prize. Got a little drippage, but get it up. Not a lot. Okay. Now we need our lower hose and some hose clamps. So you can work from up top. Put it down like so. We'll fit this all down in here like so. There's a hanger hook back over here. You want to set it down on. Let's see. Now, as we work it, I'm going to break this end up and over. So, here's how we got it. Okay, so, and we got this. It's right here. So, I'm going to use 2 hands and get that on, and I'll show you right back here. 2 seconds. A little bit of a drip. Had a little bit of one. My gun did not suck all of the coolant out like it should have. But there's that on. Got the hose clamp on nice and tight. I'll take the wet dry vac. Get that coolant up. Just sit down the driveway, a small pedal. Looks worse on camera than it is. Well, we're going to take our hose now and stick it in that little retainer there. It looks like a big hook. And then the other end will connect over there. So, the easiest way I found to do this. See it down in there. I'm going to finish adding some oil to the car, I'm putting, we're going to put this little guy back. But I'm going to go clean him out first. So we'll be back once we clean this little guy out. He's pretty nasty inside. So, okay, we'll be back. Okay, get this all cleaned up. Now we're going to stick it back on. By first sticking on our hose and our hose clip. Work that hose on there. It's going to be a bit tight, but we're going to get her. Then we'll take our okay. Get that all nice and tight. Here's a tech tip. When you buy hose clamps, buy the good stainless ones. Don't buy the little, don't buy the cheap ones. You don't. There we go. Now, for all you torque people, that little gun with quarter drive plus an extension, it's too weak. Keep trying a gun, the quarter drive extension. Okay, that'll just fit down in there. Line up your pegs. Got a peg there, goes in this hole, peg goes in that hole. Shove it in there. Now we'll get our bolt, which is an 8. I'm going to do something with this bolt here. It's not into much, and I'll be the next one probably here. So we're going to put a little, just a little anti-seize on there, on the threads, just a hair, just keep it, just a dollop. Got it on the one side, it'll spread as I run it in. It'll keep it from seizing in that quick clip that's down in there. Now we'll just finish running this on down. Thought I had it started. Okay. That's going to take 2 hands probably. Let's see. What is going on here? Okay. You want to go a little to the side, a little down. You're started. Yeah, you're started. Go home. There we go. Going into a fat plastic fan shroud. Good. Okay. Now we got our vent hose to put back on. Our bleeder hose just goes right there. Did not get one of these to replace that with. I would have had to wait. I ordered. It's a weekend. O'Reilly's did not have it in the warehouse. I couldn't get it. Warehouse isn't open. I mean, they didn't have it, you know. I had to wait for it. Had to wait till Monday. And I don't like this battery terminal. Whoever put that on there should be ashamed. Yeah, I'll fix that at a later date. As you can tell from the videos I have been having, move my little rotary tool back in its case. I've been having a lot of stuff with this car to do. So I got a lot of projects to do. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna take this intake out of the way. It's gonna be easier for me to get this out. It's like working on a truck. Okay. Now we have open spaces. See? We can get right to that. So let's get this a hose clamp. Alright. Let's see. Put that on there. Around the front. Come on, little guy. There we go. We're on. Looks like after this I still have valve cover gaskets to do and all kinds of stuff on my so there's our setup. So I'm going to take one hand and hold it, use the other hand to tighten her up. Alright. We're ready to head in a freeze. And fill this add oil, fill antifreeze, fill oil. Get oil. And put stuff back. I might have to have both hands. Thing only should need about 2 quarts. It's about a quart down because I caught that leak, and the oil filter won't take quite a quart. A new filter. We didn't do a complete change. I've only put about 800 miles on this full synthetic oil change that was done on this thing. So, I mean, I feel like doing an oil change is, I mean, she's clean inside. I don't know if you could see that in there. There's not any sludge in it. See? She looks pretty remarkable for 240,000. So, see if I can get that down in there. There we go. There's no sludge buildup or anything. She's pretty clean from what I can see. Well, we're going to get to see really because we have valve cover gaskets. So I'm going to get this stuff buttoned up and I'll be back.